Steve and Maggie.
Oh, blueberries again! Blackberries again! Oh, Steve, I need your help!
Oh, yeah, Maggie, coming. Oh, hello, boys and girls. Look at my cool tractors. Oh, they're great.
Oh, flapping wings! Oh, I've got a better idea! Abracadabra! Yeah! Wow!
Oh, hey, where did my tractors go? Oh, look, I think the blue tractor's coming back. Blue tractor, what have you got? Oh, blueberries, let's eat the lot. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Yummy. Oh, wait. Oh, I like blueberries. Do you like blueberries? Yeah? Then say with me. I like blueberries. I like blueberries. I like blueberries. Oh, pardon me.
Steve!
Oh, no.
Steve!
Yes, Maggie?
Are you eating my blueberries?
No, Maggie.
Really? Steve, oh, Steve!
Yes, Maggie?
Eating blueberries?
No, Maggie.
Telling lies?
No, Maggie.
Then show me your tongue and let me see! Got you!
Oh, look at my tongue. I've got a blue tongue.
Oh, naughty Steve! Don't eat them! I need them!
Sorry, Maggie. Oh, listen! I think another tractor's coming! Yeah! Black tractor, what have you got? Blackberries! Let's eat the lot! Yum, 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 yum! Yum, yum, yum! Mmm! Oh, stop! Oh, don't go! Blackberries! Mmm! Hey, do you like blackberries? Yeah! And say with me, I like blackberries! I like blackberries! Yeah!
Oh, great! That's all the blueberries! But where are the blackberries? Aha! Steve!
Oh, hey, watch this!
Steve! Steve, oh, Steve!
Yes, Maggie?
Eating blackberries?
No, Maggie?
Telling lies?
No, Maggie?
Then show me your tongue and let me see! Go! Again! Go! Oh, Steve! Again! Longer! Oh!
Oh, look at my tongue!
Oh, naughty Steve! Don't eat them! I need them!
For what? Oh, listen! Can you hear that? Another tractor's coming! Hooray! Red tractor, what have you got? Strawberries! Let's eat the lot! Yum, 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 yum! Yum, yum, yum! Oh, wait! Oh, let's have some strawberries! Yeah! So, boys and girls, do you like strawberries? Of course you do! So let's say, I like strawberries! I like strawberries! Actually, I don't like strawberries. I love strawberries!
Steve!
Oh,
Steve, oh, Steve!
Yes, Maggie?
Eating strawberries? Telling lies?
no, Maggie!
Then open your mouth and let me see!
Okay.
No cheating! Come on!
Okay.
Steve! Hey!
Okay, Maggie.
Got you!
Look at my tongue. It's red. Oh, sorry.
Naughty Steve! I told you! Don't eat them! I need them!
Ooh, what's Maggie doing with those delicious berries? Let's find out.
Okay, we're ready! But don't forget the lid.
Oh, wow! What's Maggie doing? What is she making? Oh, it's a smoothie! Yummy!
No, Steve,
Sorry, Maggie!
Silly Steve.
Oh, hello! Hi! Me and Maggie are cleaning the house today. We're starting with the windows. Come on, come and have a look. Great! Finished. Look, a nice clean window to see through. Oh, look at that tree. Can you see it? Yeah, you can. So say with me, I can see it, see it, see it. And again, I can see it, see it, see it. One more time. I can see it, see it, see it with my eyes. Oh, what a nice clean window. But hey, Maggie, is your window clean?
No, and I want to play. Hi there. Big Steve is boring. Ha, but I've got an idea. Yeah. Hey, a smaller Steve could be more fun. Abracadabra! Hey, baby Steve, let's play. Oh no! What are you doing? You can't taste a window. Abracadabra! Hey, Steve, what are you doing?
Just cleaning the window, Maggie.
With your tongue?
No, that would be crazy. Oh, Maggie, look, there's your teddy bear. Tidy up this mess.
Abracadabra! Yeah, baby Steve, you can play with my teddy bear. It's soft to touch. Yeah. No, hey, don't eat it. No, don't eat it. Abracadabra! Does it taste good?
Taste? Taste? I didn't taste it. That would be crazy. No, I just touched it with my fingers, not with my tongue. No.
Really?
So, hey, with a teddy bear, you can play with it and you can touch it with your fingers. Yeah, not your tongue. No. Hey, say with me, I can touch it, touch it, touch it. Again, I can touch it, touch it, touch it. One more time, I can touch it, touch it, touch it with my fingers. Oh, taste it. Hey, I can hear some music. Can you hear the music? Yeah? Okay, say with me, I can hear it, hear it, hear it. Again, I can hear it, hear it, hear it. One last time, I can hear it, hear it, hear it. It's getting louder and louder. Oh, it hurts my ears. Oh, stop playing with that radio. Help me tidy this house.
No, abracadabra! Come on, baby Steve. Yeah. Listen to music. Yeah. And dance. Woohoo! Oh, no, stop it. Abracadabra! Silly Steve.
What am I doing?
Does it taste
hey,
good?
Maggie, are you using Maggie magic again and being naughty?
Oh, yeah, sorry. Abracadabra!
A flower. Thank you for the flower, Maggie. Yeah. Hey, look, I've got a flower and I can smell it. It smells lovely. Hey, pretend you can smell it and say with me, I can smell it, smell it, smell it. Yeah. Again, I can smell it, smell it, smell it. Last time, I can smell it, smell it, smell it.
Hey, does it smell good?
Oh, no. Oh no! Oh, Maggie, I'm sorry.
No problem. We can still have fun. Abracadabra! Let's play. Oh, yeah. I don't want to taste it. Let's play. I don't want to taste it, baby Steve. Stop it. No. Yeah. Oh, abracadabra!
Oh. So, Maggie, does the flower taste good?
Naughty baby Steve!
Come on, let's stop being silly and clean this house. Oh, what a mess.
I want to have
Back to
fun.
work, Maggie. Off you go.
The flour didn't taste good. No, but now it's
What can I have to eat?
Try some baby food!
Oh, oh, Maggie!
Does it taste good?
Taste good?
Yeah!
Oh, no, it doesn't taste good. Hey, do you want to taste it? Yeah, taste it. Taste it. Taste it. No? No. Oh, just wait until I catch that naughty, naughty bird. Oh, Maggie! Maggie!
Abracadabra! Hey! Faster, baby Steve! You can't catch me!
No, Maggie. My skateboard is faster than your inline skates.
No, it isn't! My inline skates are faster!
No, Maggie. My skateboard is faster.
My inline skates
No,
are faster!
my skateboard is faster than your inline skates.
No, it isn't!
Look, there's my skateboard and there are your inline skates.
Yeah.
Let's have a race.
Okay!
Oh, hey, hello, boys and girls.
Hello.
Me and Maggie are going to have a race.
Yeah.
I think my skateboard is faster than her inline skates. Okay, Maggie, it's my fast skateboard against your slow inline skates.
Hey!
Ready, steady, go! Yeah! Faster, faster, faster! I'm faster than Maggie. Oh no! Look, there's a puddle. Hey! Phew! Oh no! I'm getting slower and slower and slower. Oh, and look, there's Maggie. Oh, she's faster than me. Oh. Hey, what's that? Oh, look, there's a bike. Aha, it's fast. So say it with me and be fast. Are you ready? There's a bike, and again, there's a bike, and again, there's a bike. Aha!
I'm faster than Steve! I'm faster than Steve!
Hey, Maggie,
Hey!
move! Oh, look, I'm on a bike. Yeah, I'm faster than you. See you later. Hey, look, I'm on a bike. Yeah, it's a really fast bike. Maggie will never catch me now. No. Oh, hey, what's that? Oh, look, there's a car. Hey, look, there's a car. Say it with me. There's a car. And again, there's a car. Oh, it's Maggie. Maggie's in the car. Oh, she's faster than me now. Oh, hey, what's faster than a car? What's faster than a car? Aha!
My car is faster than Steve's bike! Yeah! Oh, what's that?
Hey! Hello, Maggie! Look, I'm in a helicopter! Yeah! My helicopter is faster than your car! See you later! Hey!
Steve!
Look, I'm in a helicopter! It's great! It's really fast! So hey, let's go faster! And faster! And faster! And faster! Yeah! Faster and faster and faster! Oh no! Oh dear! Oh! I'm going to crash! Oh! Phew. Hey! I'm the winner! Yeah! I'm faster than Maggie. I'm faster than anybody! Ha ha! Oh, wait a minute. Where am I? Oh, it's really cold here. Oh, I want to go home. At least there's a helicopter. My helicopter! My helicopter! Oh, look! There isn't a helicopter. Say it with me. There isn't a helicopter. There isn't a helicopter. There isn't a helicopter. There isn't a helicopter. Oh! and girls. I'm here at the park playing football. Hey, come on, Maggie, let's play.
No, I don't like football. Hey, let's have fun with some Maggie magic. Hey, Steve.
Oh, yes, Maggie.
Abracadabra!
Where is the ball? Can you help me find my ball? Where is the ball? Can you help me find my ball? Oh, look, it's under the slide. The ball is 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 under the slide. Hey, hey, yeah, woo, I found my ball.
Oh, no! Hey, Steve!
Yes, Maggie.
Abracadabra!
Hey, you naughty, naughty bird.
Where is the ball? Can you help me find my ball? Where is the ball? Can you help me find my ball? Oh, look, it's in the tunnel. The ball is 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 in the tunnel. Hey, hey, yeah! I found my ball.
This is fun! Hey, Steve!
Yes, Maggie.
Abracadabra!
Not again. Oh, no. Maggie, you really are a naughty, naughty bird.
Where is the ball? Can you help me find my ball? Where is the ball? Can you help me find my ball? Oh, look, it's on the roundabout. The ball is 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 on the roundabout. Hey, hey, yeah, found my ball.
I like this game! Hey, Steve!
Yes, Maggie. Oh, no,
Abracadabra!
not again. Hey! Oh, Maggie! Where's my ball? What a naughty, naughty bird.
Where is the ball? Can you help me find my ball? Where is the ball? Can you help me find my ball? Oh, look, it's by the zip line. The ball is 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 by the zip line. Hey, hey, yeah, I found my ball. Woohoo!
This is fun! Hey, Steve! Steve!
Oh, Maggie, no, not again.
Yes!
Please, Maggie, no.
Abracadabra!
Oh, Maggie, what a naughty, naughty bird.
Where is the ball? Can you help me find the ball? Where is the ball? Can you help me find my ball? Oh, look, it's in the tree house.
Yeah!
The ball is in the tree house. The ball is in the tree house. The ball is in the tree house.
Yeah!
The ball is in the tree house. Hey, hey, yeah. Found my ball.
Yeah! Well done!
But, oh no, it's getting late.
Uh-oh!
We can't play football now.
No!
Oh, Maggie, you really are a naughty bird.
Sorry, Steve!
Oh.